Hi friends, I am Rajendra Maruti Jadhav, Assistant Teacher, New English School Ube, Taluka Chipon, District Ratnagiri. If you have not subscribed my channel, to please subscribe my channel today to see new educational videos every day. Thank you. Today we are going to learn about Maths Part 2nd Standard 10th Unit number 1 Similarity examples based on ratio of area of two triangles. Let's see the activity. Fill in the blanks properly. See first activity. In the given figure, triangle ABC and ratio of triangle APQ. We know that ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. First write down the area of triangle ABC, base into height. Triangle ABC is the base, BC is the base, and AR is the height of triangle ABC. The next area of triangle APQ. The triangle ABC is a base, base is a PQ, and height is a AR. In these two triangles having heights are equal, cancelling the heights, the remaining preposition of BC upon PQ. In these two triangles, area of these triangles with equal height, AR is a equal height, and then the proposition to their corresponding bases. BC is the base of first triangle ABC, and PQ is the base of second triangle APQ. Next, second activity. See on the figure. In the given figure, triangle LMN and triangle DMN. In this triangle, we know that area of any triangle is ratio of any two triangles is equal to their product of their bases and corresponding heights. In this first triangle LMN, area of triangle LMN is base is a MN and height is a LP. In this triangle, segment LP is a perpendicular to segment MN, therefore LP is a height. And second triangle, area of triangle DMN. In a triangle DMN is segment DQ is a perpendicular to segment MN, and in this triangle is MN is the base and DQ perpendicular to MN means DQ is the height of this triangle. In this ratio preposition AM is a base is the common. Base is the common. Remaining here the height of first triangle and height of second triangle. Area of triangles with equal bases. Here the MN and MN are equal bases to preposition to their heights. LP and DQ are heights. This type of question are asked in your question paper in question number 2A. Question number 2A in 2 marks. And question number 3A asked in 3 marks. Let's see example number first. In adjoining figure, segment AE is a perpendicular to segment BC and segment DF is a perpendicular to line BC. Here the value of AE is a 4 and value of DF is a 6. Then find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC, the ratio of these two triangles. Solution. Observe these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DBF. In these two triangles have base is a common. BC is the base of triangle ABC and triangle DBC is a base is a BC. The base is a common and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to, base is equal, bases are equal, hence area of proposition to heights. The height of first triangle is AE is the height and height of second triangle, triangle DBC is a DF. Put the value in this. AE is a 4 and DF is a 6. Here 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to 2 upon 3. The ratio of these two triangles is 2 upon 3. Here write down the reason. Bases are equal. Hence areas propositional to heights. Here the bases are. Let's see next example, example number 2. In a triangle ABC, point D on a side BC is such that DC is equal to 6 and BC is the 15 centimeter. BC is 15 centimeter and DC is 6. Find area of triangle ABD's area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ABD's area of triangle ADC. Solution. See on this figure, observe here the A is a vertex, is a common vertex of a triangle ABC, triangle ADC, triangle ABD, and their bases are collinear. Hence the height of these triangles are equal. Point A is a common vertex of triangle ABD, triangle ADC, triangle ABC, and their bases are their bases are collinear. Their bases are collinear. Hence, here the heights of these three triangles are equal. Hence, heights of these three triangles are equals. In this figure, triangles are heights of these three triangles are equal. Here a triangle ABC height is AP, in a triangle ADC height is AP, and in a triangle ABC height is AP. Height is equal, and the preposition heights are equal. Hence, the area of preposition to bases. Here, find the bases of all triangles. Triangle ABC is a base is 15, and a triangle ADC is a base DC is 6. Then find the base in a triangle ABD. Find the base of triangle ABD BD. We know that DC is 6, BC is 15. Find the value of BD. BD means BC minus DC, and this is the value of BD. BC minus DC. The value of BC is equal to 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to BD is equal to 9. The value of BD is equal to 9. The all triangles are. Find the bases. Find first area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle, ratio of two triangle, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. In these three triangles are equal heights. The preposition of basis, area of preposition to basis. Base of first triangle, triangle ABD, base is a BD, and triangle ABC is a base is a BC. Put the value on this. BD is 9 and BC is 15. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Here the heights are equal. Write down the reason. Heights equal areas preposition. Hence areas preposition prepositional to bases. Next, second, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. The ratio of two triangles in these two triangle have height are equal, the ratio of bases, base of first area of triangle ABD is a base, BD is a base, and area of triangle ADC, base of ADC is a DC. Put the value in this. BD is a 9 and DC is a 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, the reason the preposition of two triangle is 3/2. The ratio of two triangle is 3/2. Here the reason heights equal, hence areas proportional to bases. In this type, solve above example. In this figure, see the base are equal or height are equal and solve this type example. Next, see example number 3. In adjoining figure, in a triangle ABC, point D is on a side AC. Point D is on a side AC. If AC is equal to 16, the length of AC is equal to 16 and DC is a 9. DC is a 9 and segment BP is a perpendicular to segment AC. Then find the following ratios. First ratio is area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Second, area of triangle BDC upon area of triangle ABC. And third one, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle BDC. See, in this figure, point B is a common vertex of a triangle ABD, triangle BDC and a triangle ABC and a triangle ABP. Their sides are AP, PD, AD, DC and AC are collinear. Height of all triangles are equal, hence area of these triangles are proportional to their bases. Solution. First, find out the all triangles areas, bases. Triangle ABC is a base 16, triangle BDC is a base is 9 and find the triangle ABD bases. Solution. Hence, here AC is equal to 16, DC is equal to 9 and AD is equal to AC minus DC. AC minus DC is equal to AC is the value is a 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. The value of AD is equal to 7. AD is equal to 7. In a figure, B is a common vertex of all triangles. The heights are equal and these triangles are proportional to their bases. First ratio, find the first ratio. First ratio is area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Equal heights. Write down the base of these two triangles. A triangle ABD base ABD, AD is a base, and second ABC is a base is a AC. Put the value. AD is a 7 and AC is a 16. Write down the reason. Here the triangles having triangles having equal heights. Equal heights. Second ratio, find the second ratio. Second, area of triangle BDC upon area of triangle ABC. In these two triangles have equal height. The proposition of their bases. Write down the triangle BDC base. Triangle BDC base is a DC, and a triangle ABC is a base is a AC. DC is equal to 9 upon AC is 16. Write down the reason. Triangles having equal heights. Equal heights. Third, find the third. Using the ratio of area of two triangles properties.